Ready to launch your GitHub project into a collaborative, cloud-based environment in minutes using Glitch. First, head over to your GitHub repository and locate the code button on your project's main page. Click on the button and make sure the HTTPS option is selected. We'll need the URL for the next step. Now, navigate to Glitch and find the Import from GitHub button, usually located on the home page or within the New Project options. Click that button. You'll be prompted to authenticate with your GitHub account. Click the button, and Glitch will ask for permission to access your repositories. Grant the necessary permissions to proceed. After authentication, you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories. Now, search for the specific repository do you want to import, or browse the list until you find it. Once you've located your project, click it to initiate the import process. Glitch will begin cloning your repository and setting up your project. The page will typically show a loading screen or progress bar. After the import is complete, Glitch will automatically generate a live preview of your project, allowing you to see your project running online. You can then invite collaborators and start coding right away. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your project.